Hey guys, it's Ray Melissa. This is just a video of me saying thank you to everybody on Facebook and everybody on YouTube and all their loving support and their feedback. Let me see, my Facebook page, I made a Facebook page especially just for my music, so go like it and I'm going to put it in the description bar. This video I'm going to be singing Something's Got a Hold on Me by Etta James, also sang by Christina Aguilera in the Burlesque movie. So here we go. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before, no. And I just want to tell you right now that I really do believe that something's got a hold on me, yeah. Oh, it must be love. Oh, something's got a hold on me right now, child. Oh, it must be love. Let me tell you now, I've got a feeling, I feel so strange. Everything about me seems to have changed. Step by step, I got a brand new walk. I even sound sweeter when I talk. I said, oh.